Ja, herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Ausgabe vom SI Talk. Neben mir ist Mary Little von Mirasol. Sie wissen ja, Mirasol hat ja mein Projekt letztes Jahr verkauft an Coeur Mining zu einem sehr guten Preis. Und ja, ich wollte einfach mal wissen, was das nächste Update ist. Mary, thank you to have you here.
Thanks, Joe.
First question is, yeah, what was really the highlights in the last 3 to 6 months? The people know the story, your company, and know what you're doing. But it was a terrible year. We must say that 2013, 2012 was also a terrible year. But your deal with Coeur Mining was 2012, I think, or?
It was a year ago, December.
Yeah,
we closed the sale of our interest in the Joaquin project. Joaquin. They were our joint venture partner, so and it was in a feasibility stage. They had confidence in the resource, and they wanted to own 100%. So we sold them our 49% interest for a value at that time of $60 million US. So
and this bring your company in really good shape that you don't need money.
That's right. We have $20 million in the treasury right now, and we also own 1.3 million shares of Coure Mining on the New York Exchange.
So, but this was not only the highlight. So, what was really on the exploration side? Well, you have a few new targets, and you have a few new flagship projects, and so maybe you can give us an update on this.
Sure. We started in Argentina 10 years ago. It's hard to believe, but it's been 10 years. And the same group of people, we're all geologists, so all of our projects are discovered by ourselves, so they're new. About 3 years ago, we went into northern Chile and used the same strategy for acquiring 9 new properties. These are for gold exploration, so they're early stage gold properties. The 2 most advanced are called Titan and Atlas. So we've been working, we've actually drilled at Titan, but we've also done some trenching and surface work at Atlas, and they both host nice gold anomalies, and at Atlas also silver.
Okay, what are the plans for 2014?
Good question. Well, we have activity in Chile right now. We have 3 teams on the ground, again, exploration teams, on Titan, Atlas, and on another property. We also have just announced in September of 2013 a joint venture with mid-tier copper producer First Quantum on the Ruby project, and also in Chile, a copper project. And they are very actively working, so we will have news coming from that. They have a commitment to drill this year as well. So they're very excited, and so are we, about that project. In addition, we have from Argentina some news coming on both geological but new areas and new targets, gold targets, on 2 of our projects in Argentina. So we have actually a continuum or a large flow of information that will be coming out this year. And we're very active. We're well funded and we're able to do those programs.
But your focus is still strict on exploration, not going in near-term production project or some kind of...
Right. Well, we certainly have taken one project, the Virginia Silver, high-grade silver project, through the drill stage and to the point where it can have a resource calculated. But that resource calculation is not completed. We're really very good explorationists, and that's what we prefer to do, and we've been successful at it.
Coming to the market, what we thought before 2013, 2012 was not really a commodity stock market. What is your general feeling, especially here on the conference? The mood is not bad and the people are coming, and so do you think we saw the bottom or we are going a little bit deeper?
No, these last 2 years have been a real challenge for a number of the juniors. We're in a very fortunate position because we do have funds, but for most of them, those that have survived this downturn, I think, will be successful. I think we have turned the corner, and it's looking up.
Okay.
That's my opinion.
One last question is: you're coming up in one of the last press releases that you have a big shareholder now, but it's not really now. It's one guy who has followed the story from the beginning.
Yes. Yeah, that's true. We have an individual shareholder who increased his position in the last month from almost 20 to almost 25%. He's been one of our backers, I would say. He's been a very supportive shareholder, and he has been an investor in Mirasol for 10 years. So, we view this as a positive. Actually, it shows strength and confidence.
For sure, when you buy a stock and you hold 25%, you must have confidence, and especially in the team. One little last question: with this guy and your management team, how many stock you hold it, or how much control you have on it? This 25% and your management team, what's have to together?
Together, that would be roughly 34%.
Okay. Okay, it's a good number. So.
It's a good number. So, if anything were to happen, it would have to be friendly.
Okay. Mary, thank you for the interview. Thank you for the update, and good luck for 2004.
Thank you so much, Joe. It's good to see you.
Thank you.